Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are learning quantitative aptitude topic fractions. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like RRB, SSC, CGL, Bank PO, Railways and many government job exams and job interviews. The topics of quantitative aptitude are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are going to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of mixed fractions. We will also learn to find square root of fractions as well as how to solve continued fractions. We start the topic. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction consists of two parts which are integer part and fractional part. In 3 whole and 5 upon 7, the integer part is 3 and 5 upon 7 is fractional part. This is equal to 3 plus 5 upon 7. 3 whole and 5 upon 7 is basically equal to 3 plus 5 upon 7. Now we will learn addition of mixed fractions. We will learn it by examples. The given example is solve 13 whole and 5 upon 7 plus 12 whole and 6 upon 11. Before I solve, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Step 1 of solving it. In step 1, we will add the integer part. So that is 13 plus 12 equal to 25. This is our step 1. Now we will add the fractional part. 5 upon 7 plus 6 upon 11. We will take the LCM of denominator and LCM of 7 and 11 is 77. 7 divides 77 for 11 times and 11 times 5 is 55. So we write 55 plus 11 divides 77 for 7 times and 7 times 6 is 42. This is equal to 55 plus 42 is 97 upon 77. And this is equal to 1 plus 20 upon 77. This is our step 2. Now step 3. Now we have to add the results obtained in step 1 and 2. So that is 25 plus 1 plus 20 upon 77. This is equal to 26 plus 20 upon 77. Or we can write it as 26 whole and 20 upon 77. I hope you have understood the method of addition of mixed fractions. Now we will learn subtraction of mixed fraction. Subtraction of mixed fraction. Before I narrate this topic, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We will learn it by one example. The given example is 19 whole and 3 upon 5 minus 12 whole and 1 upon 7. Now what will be our first step or step 1? We will subtract integer part from integer part. So that is 19 minus 12 equal to 7. The step 2 is we will solve the fractional part. That is 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7. And this is equal to the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 5 divides 35 for 7 times and 7 times 3 is 21. Minus 7 divides 35 for 5 times and 5 times 1 is 5. And this is equal to 21 minus 5 is 16. So it is 16 upon 35. Now what is our step 3? we should add the results of step 1 and step 2, and that is 7 plus 16 upon 35, and this is equal to 7 whole and 16 upon 35. Now we will solve one more example to learn it better. The given example is we have to solve 12 whole and 3 upon 5 minus 15 whole and 1 upon 8. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. So step 1, we have to solve the integer part, and that is 12 minus 15 equal to minus 3. This is the result of our step 1. Now step 2, we have to solve the fractional part, that is 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 8. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 5 divides 40 for 8 times, and 8 times 3 is 24, minus 8 divides 40 for 5 times, and 5 times 1 is 5, and this is equal to 24 minus 5 is 19. So we write 19 upon 40. This is the result of step 2. What is step 3? We add the result of step 1 and step 2. So that result is minus 3 plus 19 upon 40. This is equal to minus 2 plus 19 upon 40 minus 1. We have splitted minus 3 into minus 2 and minus 1. So this is equal to minus 2 plus LCM of 40 and 1 is 40. So this is 19 minus 40. This is equal to minus 2 plus 19 minus 40 is minus 21 upon 40. This can be written as minus 2 whole and 21 upon 40. And this is our answer. This part we can solve by another method. So method 2 I write minus 3 plus 19 upon 40. We take the LCM direct here, which is 40. 3 times 40 is 120. So I write minus 120 plus 19. This is equal to minus 101 upon 40, and this is equal to minus 2 whole and 21 upon 40. You can opt any of these two methods and adopt the method in which you are more comfortable. The purpose of solving such type of questions is to solve as fast as possible, because in competitive exams you have to save time in solving the questions. Now we go to the next example of learning subtraction of mixed fraction. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Our next example is 7 minus 21 upon 32. This can be written as 6 plus 1 minus 21 upon 32. This is equal to 6 plus the LCM of 1 and 32 is 32. So this is 32 minus 21. This is equal to 6 plus 32 minus 21 is 11 upon 32, or this is equal to 6 whole and 11 upon 32. We solve one more question of this type. The example given to us is 15 minus 13 upon 28. This is equal to 14 plus 1 minus 13 upon 28. This is equal to 14 plus the LCM of 1 and 28 is 28. and this is equal to 28 minus 13 upon 28. This is equal to 14 plus 28 minus 13 is 15 upon 28 equal to 14 whole and 15 upon 28. This is the method of solving this question. We solve one more example. Before solving this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given example is minus 8 plus 27 upon 38. Minus 8 can be written as minus 7 plus 27 upon 38 minus 1. Minus 8 is split into minus 7 and minus 1. This is equal to minus 7 plus the LCM of 38 and 1 is 38. So this is equal to 27 minus 38. This is equal to minus 7 plus 27 minus 38 is minus 11 upon 38, and this is equal to, we add both the negative quantities, so it comes out to be minus 7 whole and 11 upon 38. I hope you have understood the method of subtraction of mixed fraction. Now we will learn the multiplication of mixed fraction. Multiplication of fraction. We will learn it by example. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given example is 5 multiplied by 15 whole and 3 upon 7. This can be written as 5 multiplied by 15 plus 3 upon 7. Now it becomes very easy to solve it. 15 times 5 is 75 plus 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 upon 7. This is equal to 75 plus 2 whole and 1 upon 7. As 7 times 2 is 14 and 15 minus 14 is 1. So it is 2 whole and 1 upon 7. And this is equal to 75 plus 2 is 77 whole and 1 upon 7. This is easy method. Now we could have solved it by another method, and that is 5 multiplied by, we convert the mixed fraction into normal fraction. 15 times 7 is 105 plus 3 is 108 upon 7. Now we multiply 5 by 108. This is 5 times 8 is 40. We write 0 and carry 4. 5 times 0 plus 4 is 4. And 5 times 1 is 5 upon 7. Now we convert this fraction into mixed fraction. 7 times 7 is 49. 54 minus 49 is 5. We carry 0. It becomes 50. 7 times 7 is 49. 50 minus 49 is 1 upon 7. These are the two methods of solving such type of questions. In first method, we were not required to lengthy calculations, which we did in the second method. You can solve this question by any of the method in which you are comfortable. We go to the next question. The given example is 3 whole and 3 upon 7 multiplied by 12 whole and 2 upon 9. Before solving this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. In this question, it will be easy to convert the mixed fraction into fractions and then solve it. 3 whole and 3 upon 7 can be written as 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24 upon 7. multiplied by 12 whole and 2 upon 9 is 12 times 9 is 108 plus 2 is 110 upon 9. 24 and 9 has 3 common. So we cancel these two numbers by 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 110 is 880 upon 7 times 3 is 21. This is equal to 21 times 4 is 84. 88 minus 84 is 4. We carry 0, so it becomes 40. And 21 times 1 is 21. 40 minus 21 is 19 upon 21. So our answer is 41 whole and 19 upon 21. Here it was easy to convert the mixed fraction to normal fraction and multiply, and then converting again it to mixed fraction. I will show you the another method which will be lengthy for this type of easy questions. The second method is we write the mixed fraction as 3 plus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 12 plus 2 upon 9. This is equal to 12 times 3 is 36 plus 12 times 3 is 36 upon 7 plus 2 upon 9 multiplied by 3 is 3 cancels 9 for 3 times, so it becomes 2 upon 3 plus, now we multiply 3 upon 7 by 2 upon 9. 3 again cancels 9 for 3 times, so it becomes 2 upon 21. 3 times 7 is 21. This is equal to 36 plus 36 upon 7 can be written as 5 whole and 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 21. Now we can write 36 plus 5 as 41 plus, now we write it as 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 21. This is equal to 41 plus, we take the LCM of 7, 3 and 21, which is 21. 7 divides 21 for 3 times, so it is 3. 3 divides 21 for 7 times, and 7 times 2 is 14, plus 21 divides 21 for 1 time, and 1 time 2 is 2. This is equal to 41 plus 3 plus 14 is 17 plus 2 is 19 upon 21 equal to 41 whole and 19 upon 21. This is lengthy method of solving it, but it is useful when the integral part or integer part is large, and to convert the mixed fraction into normal fraction when the integer part is large becomes difficult. That time this method is useful. Otherwise the first method is useful for saving the time. Now we learn division of fraction, and we will learn it by examples. The first example is 24 whole and 2 upon 3 is divided by 6. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. So our step 1 is we divide the integer part, which is 24 by 6. 24 when divided by 6 gives us 4. This is our step 1. Now we divide the fractional part by 6. So it is 2 upon 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 6. I hope you have understood this method. In fractions, when we divide by a fraction, then basically we are multiplying it by reciprocal of that fraction. Here reciprocal of 6 is 1 upon 6. 2 cancels 6 for 3 times. So this is equal to 1 upon 9. Now we add the results of both these steps. This was step 1 and this is step 2. So this is 4 plus 1 upon 9 is equal to 4 whole and 1 upon 9. We could have solved it by another method. We convert the mixed fraction into fractions. 24 whole and 2 upon 3 is converted into normal fraction. 24 whole and 2 upon 3 divided by 6. We convert the 24 whole and 2 upon 3 into normal fraction. 24 times 3 is 72 plus 2 is 74 upon 3, and division by 6 can be written as multiplication by 1 upon 6. 2 cancels 6 for 3 times and 74 for 37 times. So this is equal to 37 upon 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divides 37 for 4 times. 9 times 4 is 36, and 37 minus 36 is 1. So it is 4 whole and 1 upon 9. This is the another method of solving the question. You can solve this by any method in which you are comfortable. Our next question is 25 whole and 3 upon 7 is divided by 5 whole and 3 upon 5. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We first convert the mixed fraction into normal fraction. So this is equal to 25 times 7 is 175 plus 3 is 178 upon 7 divided by 5 whole and 3 upon 5 can be written as 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28 upon 5. So this is equal to 178 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 28. 2 divides 28 for 14 times and 2 divides 178. 2 times 8 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. We carry 8. 18 is divided by 2 and 9 times 2 is 18. So when 178 is divided by 2 gives us 89. This is equal to 89 times 5 is 445 upon 7 times 14 is 98. How to multiply 89 and 5 fast? What we do, we multiply 89 by 10, so it becomes 890, and we take half of it, and half of 890 is 445. So this way we can calculate fast. Now 445 upon 98 is equal to 98 divides 445 for 4 times. 4 times 98 is 392, and 392 when subtracted from 445, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 44 minus 39 is 5 upon 98. So this is equal to 4 whole and 53 upon 98. I hope you have understood the division of fraction. Now we learn continued fraction. We will learn it by example. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The example is solve 6 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. Such type of fractions are called continued fractions. Now how to solve it? The method of solving such type of question is to start from the bottom. So this is equal to 6 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon, now it is 7 plus 1 upon 3. 7 plus 1 upon 3 is 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 is 22 upon 3. This is equal to 6 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 22 upon 3. The denominator of denominator goes into numerator. So it becomes 3 upon 22. This is equal to 6 plus 1 upon, now we have to solve 5 plus 3 upon 22. 22 times 5 is 110 plus 3 is 113 upon 22. This is equal to 6 plus, the denominator of denominator goes into numerator, and 1 multiplied by 22 is 22 upon 113, and this is equal to 6 whole and 22 upon 113. This way you have to solve the continued fraction. We have to start from the bottom and we have to solve this question the way I have solved it. Now we learn it by one more example. So we go to the next example. Our next continued fraction is solve 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As explained in the last example, we will solve it from the bottom, and this is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon, now we have to solve 4 minus 1 upon 5. So 4 minus 1 upon 5 is 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. So this is 19 upon 5. Our next step is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7 plus. Now the denominator of denominator becomes numerator. So it is 1 upon 19 upon 5. So 5 comes into the numerator. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 upon 19. This is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon. Now we have to solve 7 plus 5 upon 19. 7 times 19 is 133 plus 5 is 138 upon 19. This is equal to 1 upon 3 minus, the denominator of denominator becomes numerator. So it will be 2 multiplied by 19 upon 138. 2 cancels 138. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 138. 2 times 6 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. We carry 8. So it becomes 18. And 2 times 9 is 18. Now this is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 19 upon 69. This is equal to 1 upon. Now we have to solve 3 minus 19 upon 69. The denominator is 69 and 3 times 69 is 207 minus 19. How to calculate 3 multiplied by 69? You multiply it by 70. 70 times 3 is 210 and we have to subtract 3 from it as 3 times 1 is 3. So it becomes 210 minus 3 is 207. So 207 minus 19. This is equal to 1 upon 207 minus 19 is 188 upon 69. Now the denominator of denominator becomes numerator. So it becomes 1 multiplied by 69 upon 188 equal to 69 upon 188, and this is the solution of given continued fraction. I hope you have understood the method of solving continued fraction. We go to the next topic. Our topic is finding square root of fraction. We have to find the square root of 4 upon 7. Now we will learn how to do it fast. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can write this equal to, we multiply numerator and denominator by 7. So the numerator becomes 7 times 4 is 28, and denominator becomes 7 times 7 is 7 square, and this is the under root of 28 upon 7 square. This is equal to under root of 28 upon 7. Now we can find the approximate value of under root of 28 upon 7. Now we will first find the square root of 28. So square root of 28 is equal to under root of 25 plus 3. The square root of 25 is 5 plus 3 upon twice of 5, which is 10. So this is equal to 5.3, as 3 upon 10 is 0.3 and 5 plus 0.3 is 5.3. Now we solve it. The value of under root of 28 is 5.3 upon 7. This is equal to 0.7 divides 53 for 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. 53 minus 49 is 4. We carry 0. It becomes 40. 7 times 5 is 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. We carry 0. So it becomes 50. And 7 times 7 is 49. So up to 3 places of decimal, the approximate value of under root of 4 upon 7 is 0.757. This is the approximate value, and this is going to be correct up to 2 places of decimal. What we have to learn from this example? We have first to multiply the complete fraction by the denominator. So denominator comes out of the square root, and we have to solve the numerator, and we have to find the square root of numerator, and then we divide it by the denominator. Now we will learn it by a bit difficult question. We have to find the square root of 12 upon 17. Before I solve this example, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. What we have to do, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 17. So it becomes 12 multiplied by 17 upon 17 square, and we put the under root sign. This is equal to 17 times 12 is 204 upon 17, and we put the square root sign over 204. Now we will solve the square root of 204 by shortcut method. Square root of 204 is equal to the nearest perfect square to 204 is 196. This will be 196 plus 8, and this is equal to square root of 196 is 14 plus 8 upon double of 14 is 28. 4 divides 8 for 2 times and 28 for 7 times. This is equal to 14 plus 2 upon 7. As 2 is not divisible by 7, so we put decimal. So it is 0 point, and now we divide 20 by 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. We carry 0. It becomes 60. 7 times 8 is 56. The balance is 4. We carry 0. 7 times 5 is 35. So we find the value of 2 upon 7 up to 3 places of decimal. So this is equal to 14.285. Now we put this value of square root of 204. So this is 14.285 divided by 17. This is equal to 0. Now we divide 142 by 17. 17 times 8 is 136. 142 minus 136 is 6. We carry 8. It becomes 68. 17 times 4 is 68. So we write 4. Now we carry 5 and 5 is not divisible by 7. So we put 0. So the approximate value of the square root of 12 upon 17 is 0.840 or equal to 0.84. This way we can find the square root of any given fraction. Here completes the topic of fractions. I request you to solve as many questions as possible from different books to become expert in solving the questions based on fraction. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.